game. What a season. What a team. The greatest Eagles team in modern history. Eagles fans, savor it and rejoice.
It was a moment, and that moment's behind us. Ultimately, it's a new journey. It's a blank canvas.
You know, there was a point in time where I wondered if I would ever see a banner hanging at the top of this stadium. Then, there was a point in time where I wondered if I'd ever feel the same way if we dropped another. And the answer to that question is absolutely. The first Super Bowl was a release of 52 years of frustration, finally reaching the mountaintop, getting the monkey off of our back. And the second one, oh, that was revenge-driven, angry nightmare fuel for any team getting in our way of becoming the best team in the league and getting our revenge on the Kansas City Chiefs. Because that's the opportunity the Eagles have before them right now. Because you heard it all offseason. This team has put last year's success behind them.
We're 2024 Super Bowl champions. The next season has nothing to do with the year in the past.
Every team has a one-year expiration. 2024 Philadelphia Eagles, we're a great team. That team no longer exists.
They got to prove it all over again. They got to grind it out. They got to go through the ups and downs. They got to go on the journey all over again. And this journey can lead us to something that's never been done here in Philadelphia, something historic, the unthinkable, back to back. And who do we have first? Oh, it's our division rivals, the Dallas Cowboys. And yeah, their fans have been chirping all offseason about their dusty antique trophies that they won back in the 1900s. This is our house. We're the champs. And like it or not, you're looking at the new America's team.